Huizhou Hefa is a professional hardware manufacturer from China. We specialized in CNC machining with 40 machines, provide high-precision milling and turning services. The material we can machine is aluminum, brass, steel and plastic. 6 stamping machines can supply small-size sheet metal parts. 60 lathe machines provide mass production ability for turning parts. 20 screw machines, machining different type screws. 15 spring machines, fabricate high-quality springs. We also have strict inspection process for ensuring the customer's product's quality. Welcome to have a visit to our factory. Thank you for watching.